Hi friends, today's video I'm gonna review a very useful PDF editor for Mac. It's called PDF Expert from Readdle. PDF Expert has powerful features. You can download this software from the link below in this video description. By using this PDF Expert, we can edit PDF just like Microsoft Word file and add annotations, and also we can manage PDF pages, and this software is touch bar supported. I'll quickly show you some of these features. Let me open the PDF Expert. Here I have opened a form and we can fill up this form by using Annotate. From this right side panel we can choose text, font size and color. Let me open another PDF file and I'll show you other interesting features. Under this Annotate, the first option for highlight the text. So select the text and we can highlight the text with different color, and color we can choose from the right panel. And the next option for adding text underline, and underline style and color can be changed from this right side panel. There are two underline styles, which is straight and curved. And the next tools are pen tool, eraser tool, text tool, shape tool, comment tool. Each tools has their own options are available on right side panel. Next is stamp tool. There are many predefined stamps are available and we can create custom stamps. Also there is an option to add current date and time and image. Next tool is for adding signature. We can type the signature and also we can use trackpad to do the signature. Next is crop tool. We can crop the current page or all the pages by cross window selection. Now I'm showing you all the four tools under edit panel. These tools are helpful to edit the elements in the PDF. Now I'm showing you manage PDF pages. Here we can merge PDF files and extract pages, etc. Thank you for watching this review, and you can download this software from the link below in this video description. And please do share, like and subscribe this video.